Hello, I'm in a 2013 Buick Enclave, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your traction control. So as you can see here, right now it's turned off with that lit up. And then when you push this button, it'll that light will go away when it's turned on, and then push it again to turn it off. And if this button, as you push it, doesn't change it at all, you might need to double check your codes, make sure there's no faults in the system that need a mechanic to look at to replace. But typically you want it on all the time. You might turn it off in a situation, say you're towing, just because that can interfere with how the transmission wants to tow. And then you may also turn it off if, say, you're stuck in the mud or got in some other loose gravel road conditions where you don't want the wheels to spin a certain way so you don't get stuck. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.